Yes, welcome to here. I'm gonna solve a question. The topic is related with the precedence constraint Lawler's algorithm. The question is 8 jobs are to be processed through a single machine. The processing times and due dates are given here. You can see the table. Furthermore, assume that the following precedence relationship must be satisfied, and it should be like this: the precedence relationship between the jobs. Determine the sequence in which this job should be done in order to minimize the maximum latency subject to the precedence restriction. The network of each job, it should be like this. And firstly, we need to find the scheduled 8 job. Our candidate is third, fifth, and 8th job. And we need to find our total processing time, which is 18. We need to sum all the processing time. In the rule, we need to find the differences between the processing time, total processing time, between the due date of our candidates, which is belongs to 13, 12, and 19. We need to subtract each values. We will get this result, and we need to find the minimum of this, which is 0. Uh, this 0 value is correspond to job 8. We can say that as a result, job 8 is scheduled. For the second step, we need to find the job scheduled 7th. Our new candidates is third, fifth, and 7th job. And so we need to update our processing time. Our new processing time is 17 because when we need to subtract our previous processing time minus our scheduled job, which is 8, and it has uh, its processing time is 2. We need to subtract it. We need to subtract it to find our new updated processing time. So we need to take the difference between our updated processing time with the due date of our candidates, which is 13, 12, and 15. We will get this result, and we need to find the minimum of these values, which is 2 and corresponds to job 7. As a result, we can say that job 7 is scheduled. So when we apply the same formula, the job 3 is scheduled, and in the fourth step, we will get the result job 5 is scheduled. When we do this, the same calculation, when we update our processing time and we need to update our candidates, we will get this result job 6 is scheduled. So in the sixth step, we need to find the third, the job schedule third, and our new updated processing time is 6, and our candidates is 2 and 4, second and fourth job. We need to take the difference between the processing time between the due date of our candidates. We will get this result, and we need to find the minimum of it, which is at job 4, and we can say that job 4 is scheduled. For the seventh step, we can apply the same. We need to apply the same formula, and we will get this result. Job 1 is scheduled. Our job order should be like this: second 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 7, and 8. It should be like this in an order, and we know their processing time, flow time, due date, and we can find their tardiness. So there is only the number of tardy job is 3, because the fifth, third, and 7th job, the completion time of the third, fifth, and 7th more than their due dates, and this gives us there is a tardiness. So that's it. Thank you for listening.